the magic behind Drumroll, please, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even during events. Drumroll, please. It's a phrase that adds drama and excitement. But what does it actually mean and where does it come from? Stick with us to find out. When someone says, "Drumroll, please," they're asking for a drumroll sound to be played. But why? It's all about building anticipation and excitement. This phrase is used right before a big announcement or reveal, much like a drumroll in music leads up to a climactic moment. It's a way to grab everyone's attention and signal that something important or exciting is about to happen. Drumrolls have been used for centuries in military and ceremonial contexts, often to signal the arrival of someone important or the start of a significant event. Over time, this musical element found its way into entertainment and popular culture. When we say, "Drumroll, please," in a non-musical setting, we're tapping into that tradition of anticipation and importance, even if it's just for fun or in a casual context. Using "drumroll, please" in conversation or presentations can be a great way to engage your audience. It's best used before making an announcement that you've built up to, when revealing a surprise or the result of something, to inject humor or drama into your storytelling. Remember, timing is key. You want to make sure that the build-up and the moment you use it align well with the anticipation you're trying to create. Let's look at some examples where "drumroll, please" is used effectively. In award shows, right before announcing the winner. During game shows, when revealing the final answer or prize. In movies or TV series, often humorously, before a character reveals something surprising. These instances show the versatility of the phrase. Whether it's used to heighten tension, add comedic effect, or simply make an announcement more exciting. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, "Drumroll, please." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, history, and how you can use it to add excitement to your English conversations. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about the feelings and moments we create with them. See you in our next video, and until then, keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of English.